Hi everybody, it's Dave. Welcome back to Safer FX. The franc. So it's London. It's the 14th of October 2025, and in much the same way that the euro has commenced its move, right down not even 1 minute, but looks like it might be able to navigate that one out to about 15-minute money. It does appear that the franc could actually be going in the opposite direction, going long instead of short, to the euro. So it's a Tuesday, so fairly typical sort of time frame in terms of the majors or any of them actually making a move. So the franc's just triggered for me. If I just jump out a little bit to give everyone a bit of context, you can see previous trades that I've put on the chart. They'll just stay there as a reminder to me how this pair is actually moving, or seems to be moving. So if I come down to the 1 minute, this bit of anomaly here was at the start of the week. So that was the Monday sort of precursor into Monday. And then we've had this sort of move now on the franc. And overall, the franc has been long in terms of its trades. But if I just narrow this down to even 30-minute. So this is sort of the trading out of yesterday. This is just another classic sort of reversal pattern, but it's doing it again today. So the franc's come down, it's found a base, generally in an upward sort of trend. It's just looking for an excuse to run to the north. And really, if I come down here on 5-minute money, what I'm calling this now, so if I just grab my little box here, I won't start there, I'll start here. This is just a reminder to me, just a bit of a visual reminder to me. I always use green as the trending phase. So 3 phases in any really move whereas price moves. So it's that contraction of price prior to probably London opening today, the end of the Asian session. This would have been the Asian session, wandering down, very lackluster, no real direction to it, just falling away. Then the consolidation pattern, a bit of a shift north and south to sort of pick up any liquidity. And maybe now this is the run to the north. So you can see where my stop is. In terms of price, I think we've got 80, 260, 270, so a black candle coming back down through this price, and I'd be getting out of this. And you can see where my stop is. It's pretty close. So should actually be below there. So I will do that. You should never move your stops away from the market. However, I've got plenty of wiggle room in these. I only ever risk a very small percentage of my overall trading capital. Note if it's on this account or my other account. So, I'm not stressing out. So there's never a lot of money at risk in terms of my overall capital. But yeah, look, I thought I'd throw this one up. It does look like the CFH is moving. If anyone wants to sort of ask any questions, please do so down in the comments below. We'll see how this one goes. As I say, this one I'll probably trade out on probably a 5-minute or even a 15-minute basis. I'll have to make that decision as it starts moving away and use price inefficiency as a guide. But at the moment, while it's launching, I'm watching 5-minute extremely closely. Obviously, 2 big white candles now here, sort of indicating that this has got a bit of a bullish move. So, any big black candles on 5-minute now would cause me to probably halve this position. So we'll just see how it goes, and then I'll post later on. Should it give us a few pips or not? So, all right, that's probably it for this one. Stay tuned for a follow-up. Hopefully we'll get a follow-up in this one because it's a successful trade. Other than that, please consider subscribing, stay safe, and I will catch you in the next one.